aircraft manufacturers have tried to fix that problem by designing the pilot out of the cockpit. This is the first fully automated plane, flown by a computer.
Oh là là.
Oh no. Oh my God.
We're following this news alert in Tampa. It's a giant, an Air Force C-17 landed at the wrong airport. Officials are trying to figure out how the mistake happened. Now, the huge military jet was headed to MacDill Air Force Base, but the pilot landed at Peter O. Knight, a small municipal airport on nearby Davis Islands. Fox 13.
Ein Propellerflugzeug landet auf der Düne vor Helgoland. Bild-Leserreporter Rainer Sempel filmt und ist schockiert. Die Maschine fliegt so tief, dass sie fast einen am Strand sitzenden Mann umreißt. Danach beschädigt sie einen Zaun. In Zeitlupe ist zu sehen, dass der Mann am Strand sich noch schnell hinlegt, um nicht getroffen zu werden. Ein Sprecher des Flugplatzes Helgoland sagte zu Bild, verletzt wurde niemand. Am Bugrad seien ein paar Kratzer gewesen. Bei näherem Hinsehen gibt es aber einige Schäden an der Maschine. Sie steht mittlerweile auf einem Flughafen in Essen, wo sie repariert werden soll.
Braking system, but to no avail. And he had no choice but to belly flop the plane with its engines acting like the runners of a sled onto a concrete runway. As you can see in this actual video shot inside the cabin, in the final moments, the passengers were ready for the worst. Air traffic controllers wished the captain good luck. And in the last few seconds, like the other passengers, Greg Cohen had his head between his legs. And then it happened. Flight 16 touched down at more than 140 miles an hour. This is the moment of contact on the runway, shot from inside the cabin.
And then,
incredibly, it was a smooth touchdown, a miracle in Warsaw.
the plane came to a stop, then everybody roared with applause.
Suddenly, there was another danger. There was smoke and a fire on the right side engine. Flight attendant Magda Gortat yelled at the top of her lungs.
Get us sure that it's gonna.
This is actual video of the evacuation from on board the plane. Passengers rushed for the emergency slides, and a few fell as they tried to run away. But emergency crews were able to douse the flames and the fuel leak quickly. The plane didn't explode, and except for a few scrapes and bruises, everyone got off unharmed.
Didn't really hit me until I was off the plane.